Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know why I said that like that. Anyways, today I am filming this look because it looks really cool. I had to redo it. Funny story. So I got my friend DJ, which go follow her because the pictures looked amazing and she's an amazing photographer, and I will have it right here. Anyways, she is a photography major at my school and she needed some models for her project, so I was one of them, and she needed like this funky, colorful makeup look, and we did this whole fun shoot. I'll insert a few pictures here, but definitely just go look at the Instagram. And I did this makeup look and I posted on my stories, and you guys like went crazy for this makeup and you were like, please do a tutorial. I literally got more requests than I ever have to do it. So I'm here to please the people, and I did it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. First thing I'm gonna do, I already went over and did my whole face with this new product I've really been loving. It's from L'Oreal. It's the cushion. Well, actually, I don't think it's new. I think this has been around for a while, but it's new to me, and wow, I love this foundation. Like, it's got such a natural finish. You can't even see it on my skin. So I already did that. I'm trying to like speed up the process here. Now I'm gonna go in and use some Tarte Shape Tape and just conceal any redness or blemishes that I have. Okay, I've been listening to that song on repeat. I love it so much. Anyways, I'm gonna go in and set with powder now. Actually, no, I'm not. I lied. I'm gonna go in with some cream products. Okay, so now that I have concealed, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer because I'm pasty right now, since it is fall and I have not fake tanned. And I probably won't. I've been kind of liking my pale skin lately. I don't know. Anyways, just gonna go in and bronze. I think hopefully I mentioned in the intro, but this makeup look was for a shoot I did for a friend, and it was very tropical themed. So I'm gonna make myself look a little bit tanner than I usually would for that purpose. I've been using these same two products so much recently. Just going in with the same cream blush from Revlon, and yeah. I almost put that on my forehead, imagine. That'd be kind of funny. Okay. Voila, so cream products are down. Now I'm going to set with powder. I don't even know what accent that is. Okay, so this isn't really like a linkable product. I'm literally using, look at the dust on this. Like, it's old. It was like one of the first makeup things I got, but I've been really loving these bronzer shades. Sorry guys, I'm out of bronzer. So that's what I'm using. Okay, now I'm gonna do blush. This one from BH Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Fiji Fun. This has been my favorite blush as of lately. There's the blush done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some fake freckles. I have a tutorial, I have two tutorials on this, but my most recent one is better because the product I used in my last one has actually been discontinued. So go watch that video. If you want to know what I used Freck. You can use my coupon code. I'll have it here and I'll have a link down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go do my fake freckles. So I'm back from doing my freckles. Now I'm going to go in with a different palette. I'm going to use the Anastasia Self-Made palette. I know it's not said like that, but I was just being dorky. And I'm gonna go in with this green color called Isla. And that's literally the only eyeshadow I use. I just get my brush wet and plop it on. Here we go, ladies. now I'm gonna go over it again just to make it more dark. Okay, legit, there's the eyeshadow done. It's so easy. Yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Just gonna use my NARS mascara. Okay, I'm not even gonna do my bottom ones because I didn't for the photos. Last but not least, I'm gonna do lips. I'm gonna go in with this. It's like a really pretty berry color, but I'm gonna use it very lightly to just kind of make my lips look like hot pink. And I'm gonna use my finger to blend that out. And then I'm gonna go in with this lip liner to line my lips a bit. This one's from Palladio, which is like this really random brand from Ulta. Just pink lip liner will do. And then I'm gonna go in with a hot pink lip gloss. This one's from Essence. It's like my fave bubblegum pink lip gloss. It's in the shade, oh my gosh, there is no shade. I'm so sorry. Okay, fellas, here's the finished look. I really like it. This was such a fun makeup look to do because it's not something that I would normally ever wear, but I love pushing the makeup boundaries and I think it's so fun even if it's not like the most wearable look. But I really like it. I think it looks cool. I would have never used that eyeshadow had I not been assigned to this shoot. So anyways, if you guys liked this, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And follow my Instagram. I'll have it right here and I'll have it linked down below. And also give my friend that took the picture a follow as well because she's amazing. She does these really awesome photos and she deserves more followers. So please go follow her on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.